Hey, today I'm gonna show you how I made this journal cover from very basic materials and waste without sewing. For this journal cover I used a sturdy cardboard box. As it's really sturdy, I wanted to use it as efficiently as I could. I was lucky its front was just the perfect size, slightly bigger than an A4 sheet, and I was willing to make an A5 size cover. I've cut the front part and split it in half. Also, I used the top flap of the box for the spine. As I'm making not the thickest cover, my spine was about 1.5 centimeters wide. For cardboard's covering, I used an old gift bag. I deassembled it, and guess what? Its front also was just a perfect size and was enough for 2 covers. Although there were 2 handle holes, I didn't make a fuss about it and put that part on the back cover. For attaching paper to cardboard, I used double-sided tape. You can use glue, but I like the tape as it doesn't wrinkle the paper. However, just for the extra stickiness, I've put some glue in the middle part. For to wrap the paper around the cardboard, I cut the white flaps off and pre-folded the edges with the help of the bone folder. You can use a ruler as well. Then I cut the corners off, leaving around 1 mm edge so it covers the corners. I used double-sided tape, some glue and bone folder to stick that paper real good. With both covers being done, let's attach the spine. Put it in the center with 1–2 mm gap between the covers. I put some tape to secure it in place, and then I put my favorite recycled paper tape in the middle. Well, it's supposed to be in the middle, but I was lazy to measure and I failed real hard, so I put one more layer on top to fix that mistake. Also 2 layers inside so the spine is sturdier. Time to cover the inside. For this step I used some recycled gift wrapping paper. I cut out 2 A5 sheets and stuck them with double-sided tape to the cover. Try and put that tape as close to the edge as possible. Looks good! Now let's put some eyelets so we can make the binding. I made 2 holes on top and the bottom of the spine. Then I took some elastic jewelry cord, as I had only this one on hand, and threaded it through the holes. I made 6 threads in total, 3 in each hole. Firstly, I was afraid this cord would be too fragile, but it turned out pretty well. I decorated the cover with some gold tone corners, and they really make a huge effect. I put my printable planner booklet inside, and only then I realized that my holes are apart less than A5 paper size. But fortunately, elastic stretches, and this jewelry cord proved its worth and holds the paper sheets in place really well. I even didn't staple the papers as I planned initially, as it held in place perfectly. Also, you can put any notebooks or loose paper sheets of your cover size. Here you can see how nicely few notebooks and papers fit into my cover. So now grab your materials and make a journal cover for yourself too. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!